This is Aysha Chowdhury, Principal of Cardiff International School. Today I'm presenting one opportunity for the juniors and senior students, especially English medium students that I'm representing. So this Cardiff International School is an English medium school, and we are offering playgroup to O and A levels courses here. Now, in fact, this is an opportunity for the youngsters. We have been working with this IT institution. They are one of the leading IT institutions, Creative IT Institute. They are coming up with a lot of opportunities for the youngsters. Our youngsters, especially the seniors so far, they have attended their courses. But now they are coming up with junior programs as well. Now under that, their programs, they are covering graphics designing for youngsters and coding, robotics and Python and whatnot. Say it and they do it. So this is their 13th year celebration. So it's a long time. We are lucky that we got CIT, people like CIT, and our students are very happy attending their courses. So I would prefer you all visit CIT's website, and if possible visit their campuses and talk to the very smart, energetic young trainers and facilitators, and you wouldn't be disappointed. Take this opportunity and be with CIT, and that's all from my side. Wish you best of luck, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.